All right, we're going to use trigonometry to find the missing side of a right triangle given an acute angle. An acute angle just means it's less than 90. So here we have an acute angle of 33 degrees. And let's put a measurement on one of the sides. Let's say we give this side here on the right a measurement of 5 inches. All right, so we'll use this information to find the other two sides. Let's say we find this side first. To begin, we want to identify the names of the sides of the triangle based on the fact that we're using the acute angle 33 degrees. So the 5 inches will be the adjacent side because it goes between our angle and the 90. And the x will be our opposite side. It's across from our acute angle. And that leaves the third side as our hypotenuse. Okay, so if I have the adjacent, I'm looking for the opposite. I'm going to use tangent. The tangent involves the opposite and the adjacent. So the tangent of 33 degrees is equal to our opposite over our adjacent. To get x by itself, we're going to multiply 5 on both sides, which gives us that x is equal to 5 times the tangent of 33 degrees. Make sure your calculator's set in degrees. 5 tangent 33 is about 3.25-ish. So x is about 3.25 in this case. All right, let's go ahead and figure out what the hypotenuse is. Let's call that y. And I'm not going to use the value I just found because it's an approximation. We rounded it off. I'm going to stick with the 5 inches we started with. So I'm going to use the adjacent and hypotenuse. So this time I'm going to switch to cosine. The cosine of 33 degrees is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. This time the variable's in the denominator. It's a little more work to get it out of the denominator and solve for it, but we can do this. We first times both sides by y. So y times the cosine of 33 is equal to 5. Now we divide both sides by the cosine of 33. So y is equal to 5 divided by the cosine of 33, which we'll put in our calculator. 5 divide cosine 33. And that's about 5.96. And let's see, our x value is about 3.25. One quick way to do this, to remember how to put it in your calculator, is I just remember where the variable is. If the variable's up high, I multiply, and if it's down low, I divide. Take the number next to the variable. In our first case here, our variable was up high, so we multiplied by 5. In the second case, our variable was down low, so we divided by the cosine of 33. Up high, we multiply. Down low, we divide.